Install a car alarm in a Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a fine product of Honda's endless pursuit of evolving the automotive industry. It is a pickup-sized machine that runs on a luxury sedan, Honda quality of course, drivetrain. That means the Honda CR-V is a pickup that drives as smooth as a luxury car. Or you can even say that it is a comfortable luxury car with the power of a pickup. That versatility coupled with the impressive design makes the Honda CR-V one of the sought-after vehicles both in the market and the underground trade. Being a great product, many have tried their hand in stealing Honda CR-Vs. Now, you do not want people stealing your Honda CR-V. Here are some tips on how to install a car alarm in a Honda CR-V. Gather the materials you need. Setting up your alarm kit for your Honda CR-V will be challenging, but not as challenging as other car models. The Honda CR-V is already pre-wired for the alarm kit. But that does not mean you do not have to prepare for setting up your alarm system. So to install the alarm system, you will need zip ties. You will also make use of screwdrivers. Then have a drill ready too. And of course you cannot start the project without the alarm kit complete with vehicle wiring adapters. When you have the necessary gear, you can now start making your Honda CR-V feel safer. Read the manual. To pull off this project properly, it should be a fact that you have already read the alarm kit's manual. This will help in avoiding accidents and faulty installation that will also lead to accidents. So keep going over the manual until you feel you fully understand the process as well as the precautionary tips. Unhook the battery. For your safety, do not start the engine. Pop the hood open and remove the positive cable from the battery. This will be the first step in safely installing the alarm system. Take note of the word safely. Mount the siren. With the positive cable safely out of the way, find a clear area in your engine bay where you can mount the siren. Upon locating a possible siren mounting area, fit the device. Then make sure that you install the siren facing towards the engine. After that, run the wires through the CR-V's firewall in the driver's side. Do the wiring. For the next step, move the driver's seat as far back as you can. This will give you enough space to remove the fuse box located under the lower dash panel of the driver's console. Then you will have to look for the primary wire bundle. This is the wire bundle where you will connect your alarm control apparatus. Use zip ties to attach your device properly. To finish this part of the process, plug your connector to the white power wire in the fuse box. Install the alarm LED. For your alarm LED, pop out one of the blanks in the dashboard. Drill some holes in it and install the LED. Connect the wiring of the LED to the control module immediately. Mount the shock sensor. Find a clearing on the side of the stereo, and mount the shock sensor there. To tie up the process, look for the starter wire in the ignition wire bundle. Connect the start-disable relay. Then the control module is the place where you will wire the relay, lock module, horn relay, and the power. Then replace the positive battery cable. Take advantage of Honda CR-V's versatility. Install an alarm system so no one can take advantage of it.